The arrival of the Titan. We begin with a century of organic growth, hauled the organic record. 100 years of structural power, destined to become the foundation of global architecture. The heavy audit. Every ton is accounted for as the monolith enters the digital ecosystem of the forge. The unshackling. Releasing the weight of the forest into the hands of total industrial automation. The predator of the yard. The gantry crane descends, a steel titan designed to move mountains of timber. The iron grip. 6 tons of hydraulic pressure locking onto the monolith with zero margin for error. Elevation of the monolith, defying gravity to feed the insatiable hunger of the high-speed processing line. The mechanical bite, the first contact between the wild forest and the high-tech future. The strategic alignment, precision placement to ensure the maximum yield from every fiber of the monolith. The pulse of the factory. The conveyor engages, pushing the monolith into the first stage of the transformation. High-torque momentum, driving the weight of the forest through the mechanical veins of the industrial titan. The landscape of production. A continuous river of wood, flowing at the speed of the machine. The digital interrogation. Every knot and curve is mapped by light to define the optimal path of the blade. The first purge. Stripping away the earth to reveal the pristine wood grain hidden within the bark. The shredding. Erasing the outer armor to reach the high-density heart of the Douglas fir. The reveal. The raw timber is gone, replaced by a clinical industrial cylinder ready for the lathe. The purge of the imperfect. Only the elite monoliths survive the journey to the peeling hall. Infinite efficiency. In this factory, even the waste is a fuel for the high-tech revolution. The thermal baptism, soaking the monolith in heat to prepare the fibers for the rotary strike. The final approach, positioning the Titan for the most critical moment of the extraction. The unspooling. One solid log becomes 100 meters of continuous fiber in a single heartbeat. The river of veneer, a high-speed flow of potential, feeding the insatiable hunger of the drying tunnels. The surgical snap, dividing the ribbon into the building blocks of the high-tech plywood monolith.
The extraction is perfect. Are you ready for the thermal stabilization? Subscribe and like for phase 2.
The raw extraction is over. The stabilization matrix is next.
Phase 2, the stabilization matrix. We subject the raw ribbons to a trial of high-velocity heat to lock in the structural integrity of the monolith.
The thermal intake. Moving the harvest into a laboratory-controlled climate where moisture has no place to hide.
The 150-meter forge. A continuous journey through a thermal gauntlet to achieve the perfect molecular balance. The great evaporation. Stripping the water from the fiber to ensure the wood never warps, never bends, and never fails. Aerodynamic flattening. Using force and fire to create a sheet as straight as a razor's edge. The lungs of the Titan. Relentless airflow to guarantee that every square inch of the veneer is cured to perfection. The stabilization. The wood has been reborn. The organic water has been replaced by industrial strength.
The Digital Inquisitor. AI vision systems, scanning for the imperfections that nature tried to hide. Target acquisition. Pinpointing every defect with sub-millimeter precision for the upcoming extraction strike. Surgical reconstruction. Erasing the flaws of the forest to create a flawless industrial surface.
Chemical bonding. Locking the repair into the grain to ensure the monolith remains a single, unbreakable unit. The humidity audit. Only the sheets with a perfect 6% moisture content are allowed to move toward the forge. Vacuum dominance. Handling the fragile veneer with the iron hand of the machine.
The architecture of perfection. A landscape of repair and refinement, moving thousands of sheets per hour.
The aesthetic filter, dividing the harvest into structural power and architectural beauty.
The final heat, ensuring the grafts are permanent and the surface is ready for the resin curtain. The movement of the monolith. The refined sheets are ready for their chemical transformation. The lifeblood of the plywood. A relentless supply of the world's strongest industrial binders. The golden glow of the fir. Heat has intensified the beauty. The machine has intensified the strength. The stacking of ambition. Thousands of sheets, one goal, the creation of the unbreakable board. The proof of the process. A surface prepared by fire, refined by the machine, and ready for the forge. The final transition. The stabilization is complete. The chemical union begins now.
The stabilization is a success. Are you ready for the lamination forge? Subscribe and like for phase 3.
The stabilization matrix is locked. The lamination forge is next.
The strategic placement, securing the massive weight of the fear to ensure zero movement during the high-speed milling strike.
The digital leveler, a high-tech bridge mill designed to erase every imperfection and create a surface as flat as the horizon. The transformation, from a rugged forest giant to a clinical industrial masterpiece in a single pass of the machine.
Surgical cleanliness. In our studio, the waste is vanished instantly to maintain the precision of the digital eye.
Automatic calibration. The machine chooses its weapon to define the geometry of the final masterpiece.
The edging, defining the silhouette of the table with the speed of a laser and the strength of a titan.
Strategic reinforcement, engineering the table to resist the movement of time and the shift of the seasons.
The initial polish, transitioning from raw power to delicate refinement as we prepare the surface for the final seal.
The landscape of craft, a high-tech production line dedicated to the creation of the world's most elite furniture.
The final calibration, achieving a consistent depth across the entire 4-meter monolith. The optical audit, using the speed of light to confirm the accuracy of the mechanical cut.
Human verification. The machine provides the power, but the human eye ensures the soul of the craft is preserved. The total reveal. Every square inch of the monolith is treated with the same relentless pursuit of perfection.
The hidden foundation, preparing the monolith for its union with the heavy-duty steel infrastructure.
The rhythmic refinement, using the human touch to achieve a texture that the machine can only imagine.
And synchronized smoothness, scaling the craft to meet the global demand for high-tech, natural luxury. The gate of excellence. Only the slabs that have survived the sculpting without a single flaw move forward. The final stability check, protecting the monolith against the humidity of the outside world. Creating the vacuum of purity, a clinical environment for the most critical stage of the table's journey.
Diligence. The sculpting is a triumph. Are you ready for the final seal and global export? Subscribe and like the final phase.
Phase 4, the final shield. We take the sculpted monolith and apply a molecular armor that preserves nature's masterpiece for 1,000 years.
The oil baptism, saturating the deep red heartwood of the Douglas fir to ignite the grain and lock out the elements. Quantum hardening, using UV technology to freeze the finish into an indestructible, scratch-resistant barrier. The industrial polish, achieving a surface so perfect it reflects the ambition of the factory itself.
The structural anchor, embedding industrial steel into the heart of the wood to prepare for the heavy-duty foundation. The foundation of power, marrying the organic monolith to the strength of forged steel. The final union, locking the monolith to its chassis with the torque required for a lifetime of stability. The standing giant, a ton of luxury, engineered to dominate any space it occupies.
The Gallery of the Titan, a relentless display of sustainable luxury, ready for the world's most iconic interiors.
The geometric verdict. Verification by light. If it isn't perfect to the micron, it doesn't leave the floor.
The final molecular check, ensuring the wood is dormant, stable, and ready for any climate on Earth.
The protective skin. Sealing the masterpiece against the friction of global transit. Defending the edge. Total protection for the most vulnerable points of the monolith.
The Vault of the Monolith, engineering a bespoke fortress for every table to ensure a zero-damage arrival.
Securing the asset. The table is now locked inside a high-strength industrial cocoon. Heavy logistics. Moving the weight of the forest toward the arteries of global trade. Total traceability. Monitoring the journey of the Titan from the factory floor to the final destination. The iron vessel. Preparing for the long-haul journey across the oceans. The final load. Every inch of the container is optimized for the safe transport of the world's finest timber. Locked, verified, authorized. The monolith is officially clear for global export.
The elevation of value. From a raw log in the yard to a global export, the transformation is complete.
The fleet of luxury. Delivering the sustainable future of architecture to every corner of the planet.
The journey to greatness. The Douglas Sphere begins its final voyage to the penthouse, the board.
The clean legacy. High-tech manufacturing that gives back more to the earth than it takes.
The gates close on perfection. Phase 4 is over. The standard has been set.
The project is complete. The world's largest logs are now the world's finest tables. Subscribe and like the next